my global cash card.
What's that?
My global cash card, my international card from US.
Saan yung location natin? Saan? Marilao, Bulacan?
SM.
SM Marilao?
Marilao, Bulacan.
Salam! Raman! Marilao, Bulacan. Lapit bro. Akal withdrawal to bro ha. First withdrawal ha. Ayun, close up natin, close up. Ayun, global cash card. Okay? Sige. 10,000 lang. 10,000 na maximum muna.
Hindi, 10,000 niya kaya. Mo 100,000? 20.
20. 10,000 lang yan, 10,000. O, yan na. Yes. O, yes. Ayun na, lumabas. Ay, success. O, pakita. Yung card, sa card. Pakita mo yung card. Bilangin. Yung card.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isa pa.
Card. Last side.
Yan yung pangalawang withdrawal ha. Pangalawa, ano yung una? Magkano yung una?
10,000.
Yan yung first withdrawal ha. Okay, the next withdrawal is... Ayun, pangalawa. Lumabas na.
Ito may card.
Bilang
Isa pa.
Ayun, bilang yan.
1,000. Isa pa.
First withdrawal, first.
So, 10.
Okay? 10,000 pesos. Wala yun lang yun. Okay.